Hello guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review. Today analyzing Superdocu, a tool that claims to keep all your clients' documents and data in a secure and customizable portal. It's a client management, client portal CRM tool that just arrived on AppSumo, being an alternative to File Invite. Superdocu is a platform that can collect, validate, and keep your third-party data current with within a secure and customized portal. So the idea here is that you're gonna have a secure place to collect your customers' data, validate them, and having that process of coming and go of documents and information. So you will have a secure place to receive data and to store it. Let's see here how the deal works. You're gonna get all future SuperDocu updates, and even if in the future they created a new plan, AppSumo customers will be mapped on the highest tiered plan. You have two different tiers. The tier 1 gets some limitations, and the tier 2 gets unlimited team users, unlimited active requests per month, and more storage. So here, the advantage to get the tier 2 is much higher than the buying only the tier 1. So here, of course, is a due to not due to get the tier 2. It will be better. You get unlimited team users and unlimited active requests per month. The user interface of your secure portal is pretty simple to understand, and let's check out how the tool works. As you can see here on the left, we have 4 tabs, and we have the settings here. So on the settings, you can change your title, your name, email address, phone number. You can add tags that will be like your contacts list. So you can create tags for instance, different kind of business that your clients are related to. And so that tags will help you to better organize your contacts. On your company, you can customize the name and also add the website URL, and you'll be able to add a custom domain on your portal. So you will be able to white label your onboarding. Also, you can change your portal colors here, and here you can see the kind of changes you can do. You can change the background color, the primary color of the text, and the secondary color of the text. You will be able to send your emails through your own SMTP. So also the emails you will send to your client can be fully customized to your brand. Also the SMTP. You'll be able to add your logo, of course. Here is where you can add new users to manage the documents in the client management workflow. You will invite them by the email address, so you add their name, surname, phone numbers, and email address. Remembering that if you get the tier 2, you get unlimited user management. Here you can see the integrations. You have the Zapier token, so you can integrate with Zapier, and also you have the webhooks here, so virtually you can integrate with Public Connect as well. Here's where you're gonna add the contacts to invite to your workflow, which is pretty simple. You can also bulk import your clients adding a CSV file, or you can add manually. Adding manually, you're gonna add your name, the email address of your client, and also the phone number if you have it, and then click on create. So now you have a client here, and on the analytics, you can see the completion rate of the documents that you required the client to upload, the number of documents that they upload. You can disable the client, you can create new requests. When you create a new request, you can add a template here, add the name, the description to request your customers to do any action. You can start your workflow by scratch, or you can also go to the library and use one of the pre-made workflow templates. This is pretty cool because it's gonna help you to understand how to onboard your clients and help your business management. So let's say, for instance, you want your student or your customers to prove their identity. You can create here the proof of identity workflow, and then there are everything here, the start screen, personal info, documents, and end. You have the workflow here. When you create an workflow from scratch, it's pretty simple. You just click to add steps and you can test the workflow. Of course, I'm gonna show you creating an workflow by scratch, but first let's see how to edit a template. So here the start screen, the welcome, you can change here the welcome message. So fully, adding the language that you want on the screen. You can change even here. Please click the button below in order to start. Here's a form where you are asking first name, last name, address, country, zip code, phone number, and IBAN number. Let's say you don't need the IBAN, just delete here. You can customize the template to fit your needs. Then you are requesting the documents here and the end screen. Let's see which kind of steps do you have. So you can request documents, create a form, add a screen, and also a checklist. So those are the types of steps that you can add. First, let's see how it works. Let's test that workflow. So here is what your client will see. So of course you can customize with a logo, white label everything. Here the start screen. Welcome, please click the button below in order to start. Then you click on next. First name, address, country, zip code, phone number. And then here is the documents that you are requiring. The valid ID card, proof of address, IBAN documents, background check. Your client just click here, select the document, set expiration date in that case, and then you click next. Then your client submitted on that kind of workflow. But the tool is all about having an onboarding screen, a client screen where you will require a document from them and also information, and they will send to you in a secured environment. Let's say you don't want to create a new workflow using a template, you want to create a new workflow by scratch. So let's create here a new workflow by scratch. Here's a new workflow. Is start with the screen, and let's say, oh well, I want to require only proof of purchase, for instance. We're gonna add the documents type, and here we are gonna configure the module. Pretty simple. Add a new document, document name, proof of purchase. The description, please add proof of purchase. You can select if the document has an expiration date. If they have, it will pop up the screen. Then the client can add the expiration date, and you can here select that if you want to attach a template that your customer will fill and then send back to you or not. In the case that, for instance, legal forms, that you want to add the correct legal form, blank one, and your client will fill out. So in that case, you will add, the legal form here, and the client can download and just upload it, fill it out. Here I create the proof of purchase. In that case, a really simple workflow. And when you want to save, just click here and you save. When you want to send to a client, a workflow, just go here on your client and click on add a workflow. Let's say you need them to provide proof of identity, invite contact to fill this workflow. They will receive an email inviting them to fill out the information. You can see here the status is missing. When they finish it, you will receive a notification, and then you can approve the document or not. Here, the button to approve. So that's Superdocu. It's a space where you can receive securely the information and documents from your clients. I hope you like that review. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.